Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet this lovely little lamb. Make a magic ring first. Next make 6 short crochet into the ring. Close the ring, slip into the first stitch. Chain 1, now the second round. All increases stitches. That means make 2 short crochet into every stitch of last round. The end of every round is same, slipping into the first round
the third
and
round.
chain 1. 1 short, next 2 short crochet, repeat 6 times. Now the fourth round, 1 short crochet, next 2 short crochet, next 1 short crochet, that's 1 group, repeat 6 times. Now the fifth round, for the fifth round to the seventh round, 24 short crochet per round. Now the eighth round, 6 short crochet, next decrease 1 stitch, that's 1 group, repeat 3 times, get 21 stitches in total. Here showing how to decrease 1 stitch. The ninth round, 21 short crochet 1 by 1. Now the 10th round, 5 short crochet 1 by 1, next decrease 1 stitch, that's 1 group, repeat 3 times, get 18 stitches in total. Now the 11th round, 18 short crochet 1 by 1. Now the 12th round, this round is special. Hook goes into only the inside loop of every stitch. Make 18 short crochet 1 by 1. The 13th round, same the 12th round, hook goes into only the inside loop of every stitch. 1 short crochet, next decrease 1 stitch, that's 1 group, repeat 6 times, get 12 stitches at last. Now the 14th round, decrease stitch, repeat 6 times, get 6 stitches at last. Fasten off the yarn. Full filled with fillers. Change yarn and go to the 12th round. We can start from any one outside loop. Chain 4 and slip into next stitch, repeat 18 times. That's 18 pieces wool rolls. The 13th round, make 12 wool rolls. The 14th round, make 6 pieces wool rolls. Make 2 pieces eyes and 2 pieces ears. Combine them together. We get the lovely little lamb now. Thanks for your company. See you soon.